Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Candy.AI app. Without wasting any time, let's get started. In the first step, what you need to do is open browser on your device. Then what you need to do is type the following link in your search bar, that is Candy.AI. Once you're on the site, they will ask you what are you interested in, girls, anime or guys. Click what you are interested in. You will see many Candy.AI characters like Alice, Emily, Amaya, Samantha, Yuna, Hannah, and etc. Click anyone you like and start chatting with them. You can also create your account using email or Google. Once you are signed in to Candy.AI, they will ask you your nickname. Write your nickname and write your gender. Click save and they will ask you if you are plus 18. Click continue and start chatting with her. You can also subscribe to Candy.AI. The pack for Candy.AI for 1 month is currently $9.99 per month. For 3 months is $7.99 and for 12 months is $4.99 per month. Candy.AI creates your own AI girlfriends. You can send unlimited text message to her. You get 100 free tokens per month. You can remove blurred image, generate image and also make AI phone calls. You can also listen to her. You can also listen to voice messages and you get fast response time. One of the main features of Candy.AI is that if you want their image, they can send it to you. You just have to write show me your face or send your face and they can send it to you. But for that, you need to buy their subscription. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Candy.AI app. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.